In this demonstration, we are going to look at the different page options that are available in most pages in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. So let's get started by going to a typical page. I'm going to go to Accounts Payable, Purchase Orders, and then All Purchase Orders. Once the purchase orders form opens, you'll notice that I have several different tabs that I can access from the action pane. The one we're going to be talking about is the Options tab. So we'll click on that and we are going to look at the page options listed in this section. So the first thing that we see is Security Diagnostics. If you're a user with administrative privileges, you'll be able to assign roles to certain users here. So let's click on that. And you can see that the description for this says, this is the list of security objects that grant the active security entry point. This screen gives you a more detailed picture of what object type is assigned to a user. And if you want to show more details about the object identifiers, you can click the Show Object Identifiers button in order to see more information. So let's go ahead and close this form and look at the other options. The next option that we have is Advanced Filter and Sort. So let's click on that. From here, you'll notice that this gives you another option to filter and sort for more advanced data using Dynamics 365 for finance and operations queries, and will be discussed later in this course. So we'll click Cancel to return. The next option that we have is Record Info. By selecting any line in this purchase orders list and then clicking Record Info, I can see more information about this record in the record information screen. It allows you to perform certain actions such as renaming, showing all fields, looking at a database log, and looking at scripts. So we'll close that. And the next option that we have is the Change View drop-down menu. We have three options here for Grid View, Line View, and Header View. These options will be active depending on the type of form that you're on. So if we click Header View here, we will be taken to the header view for the purchase order that we had selected in the previous screen. Now, if we select Change View again, we can click Line View to again change the view. And this changes us to the Lines view. You'll notice you can also toggle between Line and Header View using the options at the top of the form. In Change View, we also have Grid View. So let's click on that. And it will take us back to the full grid list of all the purchase orders.